How to sell crypto on crypto.com. It is very simple for you to sell crypto on crypto.com. All you have to do is first of all launch the crypto.com app, log into your account and simply go to the trade option from the very top. Once you go to trade option, here you can say buy option or the sell option. So since we're learning to sell, just select the sell option there. Select which cryptocurrency you would like to sell, and you can simply enter the amount of crypto that you would like to sell, and you'll also have the amount in crypto wallet and fiat wallet. So select that, and after you've done that, here you can confirm the changes and just hit the sell button right here. You will see a confirmation of selling a certain cryptocurrency, the amount of money that you're going to get with that cryptocurrency. Then all you have to do is just click the confirm button there, and once you hit the confirm button, you will be able to go ahead and then sell crypto on crypto.com. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.